Welcome. Here is how to link your bank details and withdraw your Opera News creator earnings on the app. So what you have to do is open the Opera News app and tap your profile or main icon at the bottom right corner. So on the screen you will see earnings on your dashboard. Because I have already linked my own account to my profile, that is why it is not here. But for someone who hasn't linked it, you have the earnings tab on your dashboard. Then you select any settings or account details. Enter your legal name and phone number exactly as they appear on your registered bank account. Select your payout method such as OPay or local bank. Enter your account number and save changes. Once your earnings reach the minimum payout threshold, return to the earnings tab and tap withdraw. Enter the amount you want to cash out and confirm the transaction and submit your request. Your earnings will be processed and transferred directly to your account. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for the next guide. Goodbye.